So, Chery Tigo
8 Pro.
8 Pro. So tell me, what motivated you to get this?
I wanted SUV car actually with 7-seater.
7-seater, that was your priority?
Yeah, because of my family members, my kids, everyone. So,
Great.
so
Your main motivation was to get a 7-seater, right?
yeah, main motivation actually not one, it was requirement.
That was a requirement, okay.
Because I drive 5-seater before. So
Your family size is
I
big.
changed the car because of 7-seater. If not so, I wouldn't change the car because I was happy with my Corolla Fielder, but it was family requirement, my kids growing up. This car cost me with registration is 49 lakh. So actually for the 7-seater to SUV car, within this budget, this is the very good compatible car for me. Even
Great.
because
Great.
even
So
though,
coming from a Toyota to very modern, high-tech SUV, what is your driving experience like?
it's really enjoyable.
It's really enjoyable.
I haven't drive that much yet.
How much
382 kilometer until
Only
now.
300.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Actually, I had some family problem after bought the car, so
Okay.
couldn't drive that much. But so far, so is really good. Every day I drive the car, I found some new version, some new things, and I like it. It's really hard
So,
to enjoy.
Toyota
If you want to drive yourself, actually.
Okay.
If you like to go, like you don't like to drive, you only go with the driver, your own driver, then okay. But this car is not suitable.
But one thing, I'm sitting on the back seat. This is very enjoyable, very comfortable. It's roomy. It's open.
Yeah.
I think you can also open up the sunroof. That makes a lot of light comes in. This is a good back seat as well.
Yeah. This is a restaurant.
So do you feel the reliability of Toyota in this Chery?
Yeah. One thing is, when I went to their showroom,
Yeah.
what I found is feeling, it's
Yeah.
quite executive feeling they give. That's I really like. When the presentation, the car himself, and actually I did little study also about the car, as I know that if I'm not wrong, this Chery is a very old company in the China.
Yeah.
It's 50% owned by China government and 50% owned by Land Rover Jaguar.
Okay.
So this Jaguar sports car is come from the manufacturer from the Chery. So that's why they really
Jaguar and Land Rover, right?
Land Rover
What is the CC on it?
is a 16cc turbo.
1600 cc turbocharged.
Yeah.
What is the power that is making? It's like how many horsepower?
I think it's
190. I guess.
190 horsepower, right?
So it's pretty fast, right?
Yeah, it's pretty fast. I'm always driving the Eco actually. One time I went to Mama with my colleague.
Yeah.
Last time I drive with normal mode, not sports, normal. But wow, that was fast because when it's sometimes it goes to 100 plus, I don't feel anything with the car that is 100 something. I feel the very steady with the speed.
Beautiful. I can see the suspension is a bit, tight, I would have to say.
Yeah.
Which gives you a very sporty feeling.
Yeah,
If
it's
you
little bit
change
jumpy. What I found out,
I can tell you that this is a SUV. It's a high platform car, right? It's a bit higher than any sedan. So the center of gravity is a bit different. If the suspension is like a sedan, this car will go, topple over when you are on a curve. So that's why all the SUV have harder suspension, which is the thing actually. It plants your car, it makes your car really solid on the ground. On the turning, you feel more confident. That is why because SUVs and microbuses are tall cars. They cannot give softer suspension. If you give softer suspension, the car will, twist over, topple over. So that is the problem. But this is natural.
This is natural.
But my question is,
but one thing to point out, very important thing. I'm not sure because, so is maybe time will say. This is the car with a lot of sensor.
A lot of sensor. Yeah.
Lot of sensor.
Yes.
They have a lot of function, voice command, and like they try give their best, like what you need for a sports utility car actually.
Right.
But what I worry about the replacement. Like after 2-3 years, if the any sensor is gone, it could cost you a lot, I guess. Although they are using Boss sensor, it's good sensor.
But you have warranty, right?
I have warranty, but everything. But
even if your sensor goes bad, you can still drive the car, right?
Yeah, that's
because
right.
there are manual.
Every sensor have the manual option
Absolutely.
as well. So it's not.
I guess it's built to last, but sensors are quite fancy, But you will not use them after few days after running this car. You will use the manual controls more often.
Yeah.
You will find out. So that's not a problem. Tell me something exciting about the car. Like, what is the best thing about this car?
The best thing about the car is like it's what's the SUV feeling. What I like most because
High up.
I am tall guy quite.
Yeah.
So I always wanted to drive SUV. so
it's the looker. It is actually beautiful looking car from the outside.
Yeah, that's the vehicle, and also I like the color.
Little guy.
I like the color because there has you see the silver option. It looks really bright with the blue color.
Something coming from the other.
Something from the other, and the outlook design, everything. It's really nice car, and like people cannot look down in any angle.
Of course not. This is a looker. I wish I could show the car, but it's very dirty.
Yeah.
We will show it some other day, of course.
Yeah.
But for today, the interior and the driving experience, that is what we're talking about. From a passenger side of it, it's very comfortable. It's roomy. I think we also have a air conditioner on the back.
In the 7-seater, the back of my kids' seat one time. I one time I went with my family members. They're very comfortable. Even in the 7-seat, you have the ventilator for the AC, control the AC.
Okay.
So
there is AC vent as well.
Yeah, AC vent as well.
On the last row.
And the last row, and also they use the same leather, same interior about the seats. So they actually try to give you.
Now I would have to say
best experience.
Quality of the materials are very nice.
Yeah.
They're quality. They feel quality. সামনেরটা দিয়ে টার্ন নিলে ভালো হয়, এটা ঝামেলা করে দরকার নেই. All right. So, and the car smells good. I have to say, this is a nice smelling car.
Yeah.
Did you change the seat covers, or this is the original one?
No, this is the original.
Original
I
ones.
didn't change anything.
And there, how many airbags are there?
I'm not
10, I guess, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8 or 10, I guess. 6 is standard now. 4 on the front, 2 on the passenger curtain, with the seats as well, and on the last row. It pulls really well. Whoa! 190 horsepower. Yeah, we can feel that. This is in eco mode, right?
This is in the eco mode.
Still good.
Yeah.
It's fun. And you have 2 digital screens. Everything is on the steering. You don't need to worry about anything.
Yeah, everything. Even the auto lock.
Yeah.
It's really good. I used to in one very high slope.
Yeah.
Then I just put it. I take my leg from the accelerator.
Oh, don't go back.
No, they don't go back. They
Interesting.
just steady.
So a lot of modern options.
Actually, I'm still very new with this car. So
Only 382.
So I cannot give you actually the full review.
It's
But
just,
let's see.
Yeah.
You're my friend, so so
We'll come back after 2,000 kilometers.
yeah, we will give.
We will give our owner's review.
Maybe if we drive to Mama, that will be the another good review.
Okay, so perfect idea. Well, so let's call it a day and go back to our Corolla.
Okay.
Well, that was a little ride in the Chery Tigo 8 Pro. My experience with the car was very good. It was really interesting. It was a big car, very nice ride experience. It was very fast in acceleration, and the ride felt really comfortable, especially the the shifting of the gears were absolutely fantastic, very smooth. The AC was nice, the seat and the leather was very good. The car smelled well, very nice, fresh, and since it's a big car, 7-seater, 3 different rows, it was really big, roomy inside. Yeah, I enjoyed the ride. My friend is happy too. That was a short little ride in the Chery Tigo. And the next on the list is a beautiful car. It's a built one, not a bought one. You can't buy those. You have to build it yourself. So we're gonna ride in that and give us a review of that. I mean, passenger point of view, riding experience of that very fast and nice car. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye-bye.